This is a brand from Heat Controller which is a part of Mars and is made in America. The units are only sold through factory-authorized dealers in the USA. The guarantee on the units includes total unit replacement if the compressor fails within the first year, but the warranty on other parts is not very good when compared to other brands. The RSG15 series units are basic units with durable scroll compressors. They use micro-channel coils for a smaller footprint in your landscaping and composite base pans for quieter operation. The units have a louvered metal jacket to protect the condenser coil fins from mechanical damage from lawn mowers and other things. The RSG17 models are basic units, but they have up to an 17 SEER efficiency. They feature MHT technology, which includes a specially designed fan shroud that pulls air evenly throughout the coil surface. The coil has rifled tubing to enhance refrigerant flow, and lanced coil fins increase surface contact between metal and air. The MHT technology ensures maximum heat transfer and efficiency while maintaining a compact unit footprint. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.